Hey guys, here I am back again on the channel. Welcome back to the channel. So here is a little tutorial for macOS users and a filler video for now, because I'm going to be working on something in hopefully Tuesday for an interesting upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. But at any rate, so this is a little short tutorial on how to check for updates in macOS, whether you want to update to a newer version of macOS or upgrade to the latest version of macOS and check for any software updates. So it's quite simple. You just go over to your system settings and you want to go to where it says software update. And it's going to tell you what version of macOS is currently installed. For instance, like right now I got macOS Tahoe 26.0.1, and it does give you the option to turn off the on or off for the automatic updates. But another thing you want to keep in mind is when you install any software updates, is to go ahead and make sure all your apps in the App Store is all fully up to date before you do any important software updates, to prevent compatibility issues. So I hope this little short video helped you guys out, and thanks for watching.